Welcome to the newly constructed Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. This contemporary style family resort is an all-inclusive. And here's a tour of their deluxe golf and Oceanview room types. The bathroom has a double vanity sink. You have your bathroom amenities including your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. You have a makeup mirror. There's also a little stool there as well. And then you have your beautiful rainforest shower with a bench. You can even have views while you're in the shower. The room has a full-length mirror. In your closet offers robes and slippers in every room type category, an umbrella, electronic safe. Of course, you have a hair dryer in there, a steamer, and a scale. The room has beach bags and beach towels all ready for you. And with this room, it is either two queen-size beds or one king bed. And it could also be a connecting bed. You have your mini refrigerator replenished daily with your all-inclusive package. Complimentary treats are waiting for you upon your arrival. And of course, there are never any wristbands. The balcony has 2 chairs and a table, and it also has a soft lounge chair there with wonderful views of the Cancun Ocean and the Puerto Cancun Golf Club. This resort is in a gated community of the Puerto del Mar with a 30-minute drive from the Cancun airport. Call A Premier Travel, your AM Resorts experts, when you're ready to book your next vacation.